Global attributes genuinely work on almost every real HTML element: ID, class, style, title, and more. In this video, you'll use several real global attributes. ID and class genuinely work on virtually any real element, providing actual hooks for CSS and JavaScript. Style genuinely applies real CSS directly to this one actual element, convenient, but genuinely not the standard best practice for larger real projects. Title genuinely shows a real native tooltip on hover, works on almost any actual element, not just links. Hidden is a real global Boolean attribute. Its actual presence alone genuinely removes the element from real visible rendering. ID and class genuinely work on virtually any real element. Style genuinely applies inline CSS directly, though genuinely not best practice at scale. Hidden genuinely removes an element from real visible rendering entirely. Add a real title tooltip attribute to 3 different elements on a page. Ready to attach real custom data directly to HTML elements.